In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and transfer a site using Wix. This guide will take you through all the essential steps you need to know. First, start by going to wix.com and logging into your account. It's essential to have your login details ready and make sure you're using a secure network when accessing your accounts online. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Wix dashboard. Here you can see all your sites listed. From this list, select the site that you want to duplicate. It's useful to have the site you want to work with in mind, so your process is smooth and efficient. Now that you've selected your site, navigate to the dashboard menu and find the Site Actions option. Under Site Actions, you'll see the option to duplicate site. Click on that and you'll be given the opportunity to create a copy of your existing site. Duplicating a site is a helpful feature if you're looking to save the structure and design for future use or manage multiple projects with similar layouts. After duplicating your site, let's go back to the left sidebar of your Wix dashboard. Under Settings, navigate again to Site Actions. This time you want to select Transfer Site. This option is handy when you're ready to transfer the ownership of your website to another Wix account user. When transferring a site, you'll need to enter the new owner's email address. Be sure this email is linked to a Wix account, as this is necessary for the transfer to take place. Double check the email to avoid any transfer issues. After entering the email, you'll have choices regarding what to include in the transfer. You'll see options such as domains if these are registered with Wix, any associated premium plan, and roles and permissions. Carefully consider what you want to include in the transfer, especially if there are financial aspects such as domain registration or subscription plans involved. Once you've made these selections, click Continue to proceed. The next step will prompt you again to click Continue, ensuring that you've confirmed your options and are ready to finalize the transfer. Finally, to complete the process, click on Transfer Ownership. After this, you'll receive a confirmation message. The new owner will get an email invitation to take over the site. Once they accept, they'll officially become the new owner. Completing these steps ensures a smooth transition and proper management of site ownership. Now click on Got It and you're all set. The transfer process is complete. This guide should have you navigating and managing your Wix sites with ease, whether you're duplicating or transferring.